Down in the Louisiana bayou, there's an old Cajun fisherman named Beaumont. The man is 83 years old and has fished the same water since childhood. Last summer, I watched him walk to the bank carrying a beat-up plastic jug. He unscrewed the cap, and a thick, greasy smell took over the air instantly. Every angler within 50 yards turned their heads trying to figure it out. Beaumont poured 2 cups of that dark liquid straight into the shallows. Then he sat down on his bucket and lit a cigarette like nothing happened. I counted the minutes on my watch because I did not believe what came next. At exactly 4 minutes, the surface started rippling in every direction. Fish were coming from everywhere, like somebody rang a dinner bell underwater. Beaumont cast a simple night crawler on a bare hook with no weight at all. In less than 60 seconds, his rod bent hard and he pulled a fat channel cat. He cast again, and another one hit before the bait even touched the bottom. In 2 hours, that man filled his entire cooler while everyone else sat empty. I walked over and asked what that liquid was and where I could buy a bottle. He laughed so hard he almost choked on his cigarette smoke right there. He said, "Son, this does not exist in any store anywhere in the entire world. My grandfather taught me this recipe when I was still a boy in this bayou. It is beef bones simmered for 6 hours until the water turns into gold. The fishing industry would shut down overnight if every angler knew this." That day, Beaumont pulled in 27 fish before he called it quits. The second best angler on that bank caught 4 and thought he did great. Same water, same weather, same morning, same bait on every single hook. The brutal difference was a liquid that cost absolutely nothing to make. Welcome to American Fishing, where we bring back the knowledge that the tackle industry has been hiding from you for decades. If you are new here, subscribe and hit that bell right now so you never miss a single secret that we reveal every week. This bone broth technique is not something Beaumont invented on his own. Cajun fishermen along the bayous have passed this down for generations. In the Ozarks, the old-timers boiled bones before dawn by the riverbank. In Mississippi, the river fishermen guarded this recipe like family gold. In the Appalachian Mountains, they simmered deer bones all night long. Every region had its own version, but the core secret was always the same. Bones, simmered for hours, release something that drives fish absolutely insane. And the reason nobody in the industry teaches this is brutally simple. This bone broth trick is just one of dozens the tackle industry buried. I put together everything the industry does not want you to know inside the angler's vault, the complete forbidden fishing manual. Homemade baits that cost pennies and outperform everything on shelves. Natural attractants that make fish swarm straight to your position. Techniques from old-time fishermen that nobody teaches anymore today. How to read water, so you always know exactly where the fish hide. And the secret of moon phases that old fishermen took to their graves. Everything in one place with no fluff and straight to the point. It is in the first link in the description. Click and access it now. But stay right here because I still have not shown you the recipe. Now let me tell you exactly why the industry wants this buried forever. The fishing attractant market makes over $900 million a year. They sell tiny spray bottles for $15, $20, $30 each. Those products contain synthetic amino acids made in a laboratory. They are trying to copy what bone broth does naturally for free. But they never match it because nature is more complex than any lab. If every angler in America knew that free bones from the butcher outperform the most expensive attractant on the shelf at any price, the entire industry would collapse under the weight of empty shelves. That is why no fishing show and no tackle brand will teach you this. The sponsors pay the bills, and the sponsors sell attractant spray. Now, I'm going to teach you the exact recipe step by step right now. First, go to your local butcher and ask for beef bones with marrow. Most butcher shops give bones away free because nobody ever wants them. Grab at least 2 pounds of bones, knuckle shank, or anything with marrow. Put everything in a big pot and cover the bones with water by 2 inches. Let it simmer on low heat for at least 4 hours without rushing anything. The longer you simmer, the more concentrated and powerful the broth gets. You will notice the water turning dark and greasy with a strong, meaty smell. That is the collagen and fat and amino acids pulling out of the bones. When it cools down, you will see a thick layer of fat sitting right on top. Do not remove that fat because it is critical to the attraction power. If you want to boost it even further, crush 2 cloves of garlic into the pot. Garlic releases allicin, which is another compound fish detect from far away. Strain the broth and store it in sealed plastic bottles or mason jars. In the fridge, it lasts a full week, and in the freezer, it holds for months. You make it once on a Sunday afternoon, and you have bait for the whole season. 3 ingredients that the butcher was going to throw in the dumpster, now turned into the most powerful fish attractant you have ever witnessed. Now let me explain the science behind why bone broth drives fish wild. When you simmer bones for hours, the collagen breaks down into the water. Along with collagen come free amino acids, minerals, and natural gelatin. These are the exact chemical signals that fish detect when searching for food. A fish has an olfactory system thousands of times more sensitive than yours. It can detect dissolved amino acids in water from dozens of yards away. Researchers at Auburn University confirmed that amino acid concentration directly correlates with feeding intensity in freshwater predatory species. The higher the concentration, the more aggressive the feeding response gets. When you pour bone broth into the water, it creates an invisible nutrient cloud. That cloud spreads slowly through the current, reaching fish in every direction. Every predator that enters that zone receives a chemical signal, screaming food. Instinct takes over completely, and they swim toward the source, unable to resist. It is like turning on a food beacon underwater that pulls everything in close. But there is a second mechanism that makes this even more devastating. The fat layer in the broth creates an oily film that spreads on the surface. Fish below can see that oil slick from a distance, and their brain reads it. It reads the same signal as a school of baitfish getting torn apart above them. Oil on the surface means injured prey, and injured prey means easy feeding. So you have amino acids pulling fish in from downstream through scent, and you have an oil slick pulling predators up from the deep through sight. Two biological triggers working together, creating a feeding zone around you. No synthetic spray from any tackle shop can replicate that double signal. Not for $15, not for $30, not for any price on any shelf. Now here is exactly how to use it when you get to the water. Pour about 2 cups of broth into the shallows near your fishing position. Do not pour it directly on top of where your bait is sitting on the hook. Pour it about 6 feet away and let the scent trail spread naturally. If there is current, pour it upstream so the cloud drifts toward your line. In still water, the effect stays concentrated in a tight zone around the spot. Wait 5 minutes and watch the surface carefully for the first signs. You will see small ripples, bait fish arriving first, following the amino trail. Then the bigger fish show up because wherever small fish gather predators, follow. That is when you cast your bait right into the middle of the feeding zone. The fish is already in hunting mode with its appetite fully activated. Your bait lands right where the signal is strongest and the strike is instant. After about an hour, pour 1 more cup to keep the attraction zone alive. This technique destroys on practically every freshwater species in America. Catfish respond the hardest because they are the ultimate scent predators. A channel cat will hit your bait so hard it nearly rips the rod from you. Largemouth bass come in slower but commit fully when they enter the zone. Crappies stack up around the scent cloud like a school bus at a buffet. Bluegill swarm in first, and where bluegill gather the big ones always follow. Walleye and northern pike show up too because they trail the baitfish schools. Now here's why this technique was effectively banned from fishing tournaments. In nearly every competitive format, chumming is prohibited from the rules. The reason is exactly what you just learned in this video right now. Anglers who chum the water catch so many more fish than those who do not. The advantage is so massive that organizers ruled it completely unfair. That alone proves better than any laboratory study how well this works. If it did not work, they would not have bothered to ban it from competition. Here are the advanced tips that separate a good result from a legendary day. Dawn and the last 90 minutes before sunset are your prime windows. Fish are shallow and actively feeding during these periods every single day. If you add a tablespoon of fish sauce to the broth, the effect doubles. Fish sauce is concentrated amino acids and it supercharges the scent cloud. On overcast days, the fish stay active longer and respond faster to the chum. Do not use more than 3 cups total because too much clouds the water. Cloudy water spooks fish instead of attracting them, so keep it controlled. And remember, if you want the complete knowledge that the tackle industry has been hiding from regular anglers. The Angler's Vault has it all. Homemade baits, natural attractants, water reading, and moon phases. Everything in one place. First link in the description. Click and access it. Now think about what this means for your next trip to the water. Everyone else at the lake, spending $30 on synthetic spray. You show up with a jug of broth that cost you nothing from the butcher. 5 minutes after you pour it, the water around your spot starts moving. While the guy next to you stares at a deadline, you are pulling fish nonstop. Beaumont knew this at 83 because his grandfather taught him young. The old-timers in the Ozarks knew it, the Cajuns knew it, the rivermen knew it. Now you know it too, and nobody had to spend a single dollar to learn it. The tackle industry spent decades trying to make you forget this knowledge. They replaced it with plastic bottles full of synthetic chemicals at $30, but bones from the butcher still do what no laboratory has ever matched. If this opened your eyes, smash that like button and share it with a buddy. Subscribe to American Fishing, and hit the bell for the next secret. Drop a comment telling me what happened the first time you tried this. The industry wants you spending, but the water wants you catching. Stop buying what barely works and start making what actually does. American Fishing, where real anglers learn what they tried to bury.